How's it going, everyone? So this is my Raspberry Pi project. It is basically complete, and when I say that, I mean I was not thinking and I coded my application using Visual Studio on Windows when clearly the Raspberry Pi operates on Linux. So I have to translate that over to Linux and it'll be fine. However, that won't take very long. But everything else is done and it works, so here we go. This is basically a .50 caliber ammo can that I have put a Raspberry Pi in. And as you can see, I have it in there nicely. I have a keypad, the Raspberry Pi, and a power bank, and I also have two speakers down here at the bottom. So, like I said in the previous video, this is going to be used in airsoft events. So this is an objective. Say Team A comes along, they open up the box, they enter in their team's code, which then starts a clock, which basically keeps score, and whichever team has the highest score at the end of the game wins. I thought that'd be a pretty cool objective. So here's how it works pretty much. Oh, also, the number pad is upside down relative to the Pi, so I have to flip that around too. I just haven't gotten to it yet, but here's how this works. You just have to press the power button over here and she'll fire right up. Also, this actual LED is insanely bright. It is also a relative touchscreen too, which is kind of cool. It was only $18, which is also nice. You can open things up. But you can also use a wireless keyboard and mouse, which I have also plugged in here. The keypad works as well, but like I said, it is upside down relative to the screen, so I have to switch that around. But yeah, that's pretty much it, like, overall. Again, I'll have to translate my application to Linux, but I can go ahead and just show you that as well. So here's the application that I have to translate over to Linux, but the basic gist of it is that you are going to have teams, Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, and you have their scores down here. So when Team Alpha comes and obtains the objective, they enter in their code, which is predetermined, and press enter, and it'll say Team Alpha is in control, and after a minute's worth of time, the Alpha score indicator goes up. It'll go up by 1, so you basically, each minute you're in control, you gain 1 point. So after a minute has passed, you can see that the Alpha score has increased by 1. Now let's say that Bravo wants to come and obtain the objective. They would enter in their team's code, and now Bravo is in control, and it'll stop the Alpha clock and start the Bravo clock. And of course you have the exception handling, so just random gibberish, invalid code, which will also stop the clocks as well. Now let's see, Delta comes in. Nope, wrong code for Delta. There we go, Delta's in control, and now they will earn points. So in the future, I want to obviously translate this over, to Linux, and then I am going to incorporate sound. So let's say I can write another application that counts down, and at the end of the countdown, a siren goes off, and you could use that in a game as well. So yeah, I had a lot of fun doing this project. It was quite the endeavor, but I think in the end it definitely turned out pretty cool.